quick question, please. Have you seen eba this luscious, this beautiful? Look at how soft that looks. If you've not had gari from Ebonyi State, I'm sorry, but you're on the wrong thing, because have you really had good eba? Anyway, come with me. Let me show you how I did this. Now you need to put water on fire and let it come to a rolling boil. So while that is on fire, you bring your pan and you bring out the quantity of gari you want to make. And into that bowl, you're going to put in some hot water and gently put in the gari. You're going to spread this gari round and make sure it covers every inch of the water. Afterwards, go over the gari with some more water, just a little bit water to cover it properly, and then you cover the bowl. And I just let that sit for like 40 to 50 seconds. Less than a minute is perfect, honestly. So because of the way you've put this water on top of the gari, this just helps it mix properly and you don't have dry crumbs staring at you. So you just mix this until it is properly mixed and it is ready. Look at how that looks. This looks so good. Trust me when I say this is the perfect way to do your gari. You don't want to put gari first before you're putting hot water on top. Don't do that, please. So I served this with okra soup, and you already know that okra and eba is a banger. Like, it's the best thing after sliced bread. Like, this is so good. It was so good, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.